discuss about deflation in Indonesia is very important.
Oh, you mean
Really.
deflation?
Yeah,
Deflation?
deflation.
Inflation, deflation?
Deflation.
You mean the inflation always the price is?
No, inflation is deflation. The growing.
I
the
know.
price.
You want to explain about the not inflation,
Yeah,
deflation.
Deflation.
Yeah.
Indonesia nowadays.
Get deflation and it's very bad experience for the country and for very impact general for economic something system is very impact. And nowadays because many factory only for local factory they many close because of no many people to want to buy local brand and no many people to want to use local brand and make manufacturer is very hard to stop the its result. It's very hard and they very hard to sell the
What the name is? Example, they sell shoes and they sell a t-shirt, but many people don't want to use that brand.
and the important thing they don't want to use a local brand and many people want to use high brand like example NB or Lacoste the high brand. It's make a local brand is hard to selling the brand. It's make they want to don't want to again and they close and many people the employee is not have a job after the factory is closed. It's very hard to handle this one and many people complain with the government about the deflation, not inflation, deflation is make hard to find a job to young people without the experience because very hard to get a good job. You have to high grade in the school and if you lucky maybe you can join the good company but in here it's very hard but is make government want to handle this one the deflation. It's make very hard to handle because rich people in here or local people in here don't want to use a local brand. Make the economic is not balanced. The sellers for the other brand, not the Indonesian brand. And what the name? Maybe for example nowadays many people use a Chinese brand because it's cheaper and the quality maybe it's normal, but they don't want to use a Indonesian brand because they think oh it's mahal, it's expensive, and maybe quality is more better the Chinese brand than Indonesian brand. They don't want to choose Indonesian brand.
This problem, we have to, I think,
This government have to support manufacturer in Indonesia for good quality, make a something like a shoes. Maybe they need to
have to good designer for make shoes. Maybe from the other country designer and they making and
they can make good brand. Maybe they can growing up than before. Maybe many people choose that brand. But the one, no many people, no manufacturer to like this. They always steal with the brand, and they always don't want to upgrade the brand. It's a problem. Maybe the problem is benefit because very hard to
benefit in here because
maybe it's mahal, it's expensive for them, the worker, like an employee for the other country. But if
government support him, maybe they can do like that. But
no result because the government didn't answer anything to something. But we can do if government support we can. Maybe can manufacturer still fence, not lost. It's a problem and maybe 20 economic what the name the someone always in the economic in the future they say Indonesian economic is
2025 is very bad condition. Maybe can many
many local factory or local brand is closed. It's always make we are worried about that because the factory always good because in the factory always many employee they have
and
many people can work in there, but if the factory is closed it's a problem because
many people get out and it's very hard to find a job. any other factory or something. Maybe
He only have experience in the factory, or he always work hard in factory and he have a big expectation in there. But if the factory is closed, maybe no one to catch anything in this factory. And I hope the government can handle this one. The deflation is very hard. It's very we are worried to future. It's not good for economic system and it's not good for inflation. Maybe it can going to inflation. Maybe more hard, more difficult to handle. We have to handle this one before the big inflation. If inflation, maybe many rebellion in Iran. Maybe they can to change the government and they feel the government not good for handle or something. Maybe can many rebellion in here or many revolutionary to change the government system. And for salary in a local employee is not good because the salary your need a month have to balance, or your salary is have to more than your need months. But if your salary is same with your need months, maybe we can do life in Indonesia, because it's very hard to manage the money. If my salary and need month is same, I cannot to save anything money if I very hard work is something. And I think government need to up again the salary, the minimum. But no. I think many company the salary is not all follow the rule of government. Many government say, oh, the minimum price of salary is 5 juta, blah blah blah. But many black company or small company, they only give salary maybe under 3 juta. Is a problem. The problem for employee, because they, how can I employee still alive? How can I employee still working there? Because they need the transportation fee and they need to food and for lunch in the work time. It's very hard. Maybe he only received the very small salary. And I think government need to check all company and check the real rules of company, because it's very important. If you didn't check anything, you seem to say, oh, please all company give employee salary 5 million. You only say this, but you didn't check anything to all company. Only big company follow your rule. And the problem, you always thinking about tax, not thinking about the how can the company always follow the rule or always take care about the employee. But now you always thinking, how can I receive the tax from that company? Not thinking, how can they take care of employee and take care of the many factory make some pollution. But you didn't think about that. You only thinking about the tax and receive the money and blah blah blah. But you didn't thinking about how can they follow the rule of factory work and something. If because factory always make pollution like smoke and or the water and the colors, some toxic. But you didn't check me. It's very dangerous for local river and for what the name, the air conditioner. Yeah, it's important, but you didn't check. Make many factory not follow the rule. Always make pollution is over. Make pollution more than before. Maybe it's not good for the nature. But you didn't check. You only receive the tax and receive the money free from that company or that factory. And only 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, I already explained I'm research from Google for this one, and I hope government can handle the deflation. I worry to next future we can to inflation is more difficult for handle. Yeah, we need work. We need to together to make this one. It's only fairy tale, but if it's already happened, we have to handle before is over. Yeah, thank you for hearing me to explain.